Okay, everyone, places. This is the final scene, so let's make this one count. And action.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. I know I've not been videoing for a while. Coronavirus and the fact that I've not been furloughed and I'm still working is a big part of the fact that I've not had time. But I thought I'd show you this for something that's coming in the future. I received this, ordered from SuperDrug. I run out of BBlonde, and I've got plenty of, well, I've got 1, 2, 3 that I can see items that need retrobriting. So I thought I would order some, being as it was like £7.90 a little bottle on eBay, and at SuperDrug it was £1.79. So I bought enough to keep me going probably until Christmas, I would imagine. So let's take this out of here. I get a pair of scissors very quickly. Cut that from there. Take that off there. It's very well packaged. So in here, as you can see, is BBlonde. There should be 9 bottles, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So what we've got here is 40% strength. There we go. So, 40% strength, BBlonde. This is about, I don't know, £15.50 in total or something like that. So I ordered that many because I got free shipping. But really, it's what I needed because I'd run out. So, in the next coming weeks, I'll be doing some more retrobriting and show you the process, because the weather's got really nice now in the UK. And I mean, not today, it's grey by looking outside, but eventually when the summer does come and the fact that all the holidays have been cancelled because nobody can fly anyway, I'll be doing some more retrobriting using these. But I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing and show you how many I'd bought, where I got them from and how much they were. So don't buy them off eBay, certainly even in the UK. Go on to superdrug.com, superdrug.co.uk, and place your order from there, and they're £1.79 a bottle, and one bottle will do, I don't know, probably, I'm just thinking the size it would do, maybe one Nintendo Super NES. Yeah, one bottle will probably do one full SNES, but we'll see, because I've got one of those to do anyway. But there you go. Quick video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload more videos. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't, leave me a comment. How many BBlonde bottles have you got? What do you do with them? Do you recycle them afterwards? I just put them in the normal plastic recycling. But there you go. So yes, 9 BBlondes, potentially 9 lots of retrobriting. See you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.
Okay, everybody, that's a wrap.